I have another Amazon haul for you guys to share with you. Amazon has been really messed up the last couple weeks. I had 3 orders in a row I didn't get. So finally I called and complained and asked, what is the reason I'm not getting my stuff? Are they not finding my address? What? Because they used to have a hard time finding the house because we're back in the woods. And there's another Leroy. They always ended up going to the wrong street. And she said it was actually at the warehouse or whatever. Something going on there. So I got a $10 credit towards any Amazon product. And then my last couple orders I did get. So hopefully that won't happen anymore. But they did make another mistake because I ordered one of these. Oh, let me zoom in a little more here. I ordered one of these, and these are for my water paints. And I got these because so I have this one, but it's long, and these would fit better in my drawer. I'd be able to get more in there. So, but anyways, and I figured it would be better setting it on the table to use these so you don't tip them over and spill it. Because these are liquidy, plus the water inks. The inks. Yeah, the inks are really watery, so yeah. But that's what I got that for. And I ordered 60, they're little bears, and there was silver, gold, and rose gold. 3 different colors, 2 different sizes. And it shows that they came, and they did not, because I ended up with another one of these I didn't order because I only ordered one. So instead of getting my bears, I got this. And I haven't called yet. I don't know. I think maybe I'm just going to reorder the bears and then just keep that. I'm just sick of it. Then I got 20 of these to make spinners. They're the magnets. And I got these 3D Halloween stickers. Now these are really cool. Well, actually they're 5D. I think it's time for me to cut my nails down. They're just annoying me. And smaller than I thought it would be, but anyways, you got the Scream face, the 3D haunted house, Dracula's house. These are really cool. And then this one's got some vampire teeth. A bit of blood. I thought, oh, that's a different one. So anyways, there's those 3D stickers. And I got these bears. I'll have the prices up on the screen. There's yellow. Kind of a light pink. There's different sizes. I didn't know that. There's little ones and big ones. There's blue. Oh my goodness. They're falling all over. Oh, they are too cute. Look at the little ones actually got a face on them. The other ones don't. Can't remember how many pieces are in there. But they were really cheap. But all the little guys are on the bottom here. There's all the little guys. Oh my god, they're adorable. So cute. We have so many bears now. Different looking bears. This is the one thing I tried ordering 3 times. These are the glow in the dark stickers. So I'm really not going to show them all to you because they're white and I don't think you can really see them anyway. Well, maybe a little bit. But there's ghosts and skulls. You know, all the Halloween stuff, pumpkins, witches, bats. Happy Halloween. This one has all the writing on it, boo. So I got those. I really wanted, and I was like, I'm never going to get them. I'm never going to get them. 3 times in a row I ordered them. And then there's these, which these are the 3D. The other ones were 5D. And you get 2 pieces. They're the same. Got your little bullet holes. Your bloody stuff. Yeah, how come I only have one of these? Must be around here somewhere. Yeah, that's pretty cool though. And then there's this one. You got all your bloody stuff on that one. It says missing, why so serious? And this one has the Joker. And I don't remember her name. Well, don't have the Joker on here. Well, right there, but it's mostly her. Ride or Die. So cute. I love that. So that's that. And then I ordered with these stickers one of these Model 1's polishes because the price went way down, and it was like the pink purple set, and I never got it because I never got that order. And they were $9.99, which is really cheap, and they went up to $12.99 now, so I lost the opportunity for the $9.99. But I ordered this one too with it, and this is the blue-green series. So it's like all your blues. This one's a glitter. This one's a glitter. I'm just having a problem today with these nails. This one's a chunky one. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's so pretty. I was wanting a just normal green. For Christmas. Kind of like that. So I'm happy with that. So I'm not going to open all these. They're just blues and greens. And they were really cheap. This is a white. There's a white and black in there also. So there was that. And then I ordered this one, which is a Perfect Gel Polish 6 by Landfall. I've never used their products before, so I thought I would try it. Of course, it's got all your, both of them had instructions, which we don't need, because we know how to put polish on, right? But these have all the glitter. They're all glitter. Perfect for Christmas. It seems a little thick. And I thought these would be perfect for Halloween. Okay, this one is a shimmer. The other one was like glitter. Let's see what this one is. And this one has really, really fine glitter in it too. Looks gold, maybe. It looks just black on camera. Yeah, it's got like a gold. Yeah, really fine glitter in there. That is a nice... See, this one's thinner than the first one I opened. Huh. I think this is my first gold polish. No. I got one from Beetles. Wonder why that one's so thick. Oh no, I thought this was purple, but it's blue. Oh, that's pretty. That'll be nice for Christmas too. Yeah, this one's so thick. But that is it. That's been my Amazon. I got some more stuff coming. This was like my birthday stuff. So that's it. If you have any questions, just leave me a message. I will try to get the links and the prices in my description box. If by chance I don't get that done and you want a link to something, just let me know and I will get it for you. I appreciate you being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.